guys and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all super well. I have freshly bleached roots. I've managed to get rid of the bluey stain on the ends of my hair. If you want to know how I did that, then head over to my Instagram story highlights and check out the hair dye tab, and I go into detail about how I removed the colour. Yeah, I'm due for another dye. I've literally been waiting months for this moment. Because of lockdown, obviously my roots were super grown out, but yeah, they've been done and I'm ready for a new colour. And today I'm going to be trying something different. I'm going to be doing a split hair, but I'm going to be doing a split hair ombre. So it's quite technical what I'm going to be doing. I really hope that it looks good. Yeah, I'm going to get straight into this video. Let's get going.
This is how we do this. In one way I'm yours, in one way we're strangers, but I know for sure we got something in common that I know you won't, but we're so different. I speak Swedish, you don't. I sit right down and write a letter, but Frankie said it better.
I almost feel it when you smile.
I'll take my time, I want you but I'm shy. Here's my cup, fill it right up. I'll never stop, I'll never stop, 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 stop. I'll never stop, 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 stop. Stop, I'll never stop, 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 stop. Stop, I'll never stop, 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 stop. Stop, I'll never stop, 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 stop. This is how we do this. In one way I'm yours, in one way we're strangers, but I know for sure we got something in common that I know you won't, but we're so different. I speak Swedish, you don't. I sit right down and write a letter, but Frankie said it better.
I almost feel it when you smile.
I'll take my time, I want you but I'm shy. Here's my cup, fill it right up. I'll never stop,